Okay, this is the Coleman floor plan, and I'm in Princeton, Monticello Park. When you come in the main room, if you go to the right, you have two-car garage, and then it goes to the laundry room, and then this goes down to a bedroom, closet. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,900 square feet?
A little under 19, yep.
Yep.
1872.
And so then you have the front bedroom, closet, second bedroom and a closet. Got a big double vanity, full-size tub. Then you came into the middle of the house. So refrigerator, cabinets are done. You're gonna have a single oven, microwave, cooktop, breakfast area, and then a much bigger living area. Then you go to the main bathroom, bedroom combination. This obviously is going to have a mirror, double vanity. This has a nice big bathtub, big shower, water closet, and a big main closet. And this floor plan is called the Coleman. We're going to look at the Bowie next. It's very similar in square footage and price point, but the floor plan is a little bit different. This will come out in the backyard. Obviously, they'll divide this up and finish it off with. All right, let's go look at the other one.